It's Friday. It's Friday. Don't you have those Friday feelings? I sommer miss PE now because on a Friday in PE, and say die manne vir jou, hey, hoe's dinge? It's Vrydag nie by. Hey, then you know, ouens are feeling lekker. Those were the days, man, like in the 90s, all the people from PE, do you remember the fine tracksuits? This fine still exists. There's still fine tracksuits out there. They were kwai, man. And then you could make your own design. Hey, when they started with their own design story, then the Owens went out of control. Then my cousin Wildred, used to have all the nicest fine tracksuits, all the nicest ones. And all of his friends used to rock them. Then when their own design came out, hey, the man went too far. The stripes were going like this over the pants. It was the same time they used to have, remember when the Adidas black tracksuit pants, they used to call them a trega. Like just a tracksuit pants with the three stripes were in. And then every auntie in the hood was making them knockoffs. Then you can almost see them from far. Some knockoffs were good, some knockoffs were bad, but you could always see on the line. Then it was Frimmel cheese like that. It was making bubbles where the Adidas original one was tight. Those were the days. Then it was also the time where songs like I Want My Daddy's Records Back was playing. Then you stand there and you're waiting for the taxi there in at Mercantile. And I was like, I never used to go on a taxi a lot. And the first couple of times I went on a taxi to go and see friends, I was like, why is this, Owens? No one is getting in these taxis, just going past us. Taxi don't even stop. Then I asked her, bro, why don't we jump into this taxi? The bro says, waar, ek sal nooit die krok ry nie. You don't ride krokke. That's for aunties. The aunties ride the old taxis. We're waiting for Iceman. Remember Iceman? My bro. Iceman was a taxi. They took out the back seats. The sound is so klipperd. The taxi is so full. So full. But you are in there with all the pretty kinders are in there. You must. Hulle sit op mekaar se skote as opportunities. You know when the gaatjie go, hey, mama, net 'n bietjie op. Ja, net so 'n bietjie links. Net so. Ja, as nog plega. Now back seats are out, but we are still at full capacity. Plus, those taxis used to be overloaded. And when you hear that taxi coming, all the people are waiting for Iceman to come. It was Iceman, there was a couple of them. Then you hear them, you just hear boom, boom. Jy kan niks worry as dat sound kom van ver af. Hy's gedrop, hy's vuurwarm. I got those feelings. Don't let people spoil your Friday today. Some are gonna go play now. I want my daddy's records back. Wop. Vrydag in die baai. En in die Kaap, en in die Joburg, en in die Suid-Afrika.